Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Google Photos and picking the album or date range you want to compress. Choose high quality to let Google reduce file sizes automatically, or pick original if you need full resolution and will compress manually later. Once signed in, export a small sample set so you can test settings. This reveals typical size change and image quality. Make sure to note count and average file size, because that guides whether to compress in Google Photos or use an external tool. You now perform the main work. If switching inside Photos, go to Settings and set upload size to high quality, then re-upload or let new uploads use the setting. If you must shrink existing originals, export them, then batch compress with a desktop tool. Adjust quality slider to 80% for JPEG, preserve EXIF as needed. Once done, compare a few images at 100% zoom to confirm acceptable detail. This step balances storage savings against visible degradation, so iterate if needed. Finish by uploading compressed images back to Google Photos or re-enable sync so Photos replaces originals with the chosen size. Confirm total photo count and spot-check different scenes to ensure compression artifacts are acceptable. Once done, reclaim storage and monitor your Google storage quota. If something goes wrong, such as missing files or sync conflicts, pause sync, check the exported originals you saved, then re-import corrected files. Make sure to clear app cache or use the web interface to resolve stubborn sync errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.